Hey everyone, if you're looking to add reviews to your Shopify store, you're in the right place. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to do it using a completely free app called Judgeme. With this app, you'll be able to import reviews effortlessly, let your customers leave reviews after purchasing, customize a time delay for review requests, and showcase the reviews on your homepage and your product pages. Let's dive in and get those reviews boosting your store's credibility. We're going to go into the App Store, do a search for Judgeme Product Reviews app. And over here, we've got the Judgeme app. Click on this. Install. We'll give it all the permissions it needs. Install. And then we can start our setup. So select your language and select your current theme. And then we want to enable the app embed. We see that's now enabled. Press save. Go back to Judgeme. The app embed's enabled. We want to install star ratings badge. So it does that automatically. If you want to alter the position, you can move it in here to anywhere in the page builder. And then we press save. Go back to Judgeme. So our widget block's installed. And here's where you can send an automatic review request. So you can set the number of days on like domestic orders in your country, or if it's international, you can set the number of days before they send a review. I would probably set that to slightly less than that, because 2 weeks, I don't know, I'd probably go for like 7. And then press finish. Pin Judgeme to the start menu. There we go, it's now installed. If you've got any reviews to import, you can import them now. We can customize our review emails requests. So this is what it sends out to the users to say, oh, please leave me a review. There's definitely a bit of a bug in the software, but that's not a problem. If it leaves you with a white screen, we can just go straight to collect reviews. We can adjust the schedule and reminders here. So we see they've set it to 7 days afterwards, so it sends out the reminders then. You can customize all that. Email templates, we can go in here, and there we go, it's got a built-in one, and we can go and edit this and have a look and see what it says. I'm going to leave that exactly as is, so the user can just read that, reply, fill it in, job done. And then in the email settings, it recommends putting in your own email address. So I'm going to add a custom email address. And then it's going to send the confirmation link, and you just have to click the link. And then we confirm sender signature. And as you can see there, it's activated. Close that. And we're also going to have to add these to our DNS settings. Your DNS might vary depending on who your provider is. I always like to do mine in cPanel because it's easier and it's the most commonly used one. So I'm just going to add those in now. So the bottom two are the ones I've just added in. So that allows Judgeme to send out emails through your system. And once we've added our DNS settings in, we can check status. And this may take up to 24 to 48 hours, so don't worry if it goes red. And because I do mine on the cPanel, which is really super fast, it's now all verified. So we know that Judgeme can now send out emails from our designated email address. The Judgeme app does have a live chat, so if you need a bit of help or you get stuck, just click down here and you can start a conversation in the messages and they will sort you out with whatever it is you need. Go up to third-party elements, manage integrations, and then do a search for Judgeme. And then we want to activate the product reviews. So we should now be able to add in our Judgeme reviews into Pagefly. We can see there we go. So we click on that and now we can add star ratings, carousels and preview badges. With the Judgeme app installed, I'm now going to go in and just add in a section just below the products. And then we can go to third-party elements, Judgeme, and then I could put in a review here. So I'll drag that in and press save. And you can style it all on the right-hand side as you would if anything else in Page Builder, and then press publish. And bear in mind, this may take a few moments for the cache to update. All right, so we can now write reviews for Judgeme on here. If you want to add more options for styling, because it is very limited, I would highly recommend going into Judgeme, go to widget, and then install the review widget. So this will give you a few more options. So there we go, there's a review widget. So that looks a lot better, I think. And you can also install the reviews carousel. So those are the options you have available to you. And you can also have things like verified reviews counters and all reviews counters. So it shows how many reviews you got in total. Unfortunately, you can't style this in Pagefly itself. You have to go into the custom settings in Judgeme, which if you click here, you can go through and style the colours that you want. Leave a comment below if you found this helpful. Hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Well, if you didn't like it, hit that dislike twice, and thanks for watching.